Every sanitary pad is engineered for comfort, hygiene, and protection scrubs. But how is it really made?
Sanitary pads are built layer by layer, starting with soft, breathable, non-woven fabrics.
Each sanitary pad is built in layers to ensure softness, absorbency, and leak protection. Shaping ensures each sanitary pad fits comfortably while maintaining structural strength.
Hundreds of sanitary pads are produced every minute on fully automated lines.
Strict hygiene controls ensure every sanitary pad meets medical-grade cleanliness standards.
Random sampling helps maintain consistent hygiene across millions of sanitary pads.
Every stage is digitally monitored to meet international health and safety regulations.
Automated packaging ensures accuracy, speed, and consistent quality.
Final checks ensure every pack meets strict quality and safety standards.
Careful palletizing protects sanitary pads during storage and long-distance transport.
Digital tracking ensures sanitary pads reach markets efficiently and safely.
From factory to store shelves, millions of sanitary pads are shipped every day.
Human expertise ensures automated sanitary pad production runs smoothly and safely.
Check the inventory levels for the ultra-thins. We need to expedite the next shipment.
Confirmed. Adjusting the queue now.
Section 4 confirms the interlock status.
And the emergency stop.
Criteria requires a physical check.
Responsive.
Good. Moving on.
Sanitary pad factories operate around the clock to meet global demand.
Manufacturing waste is carefully managed to reduce environmental impact.
Check the tension on feeder 5. Looks good. Efficiency is at 98%.
Modern factories focus on efficiency, safety, and environmental responsibility.
The manufacturing process ensures every pad is soft, hygienic, and provides unparalleled comfort.
Reliable sanitary pads play a vital role in personal hygiene and health.
From raw materials to finished protection, every step is carefully engineered.
Subscribe to explore how essential products are made inside the world's largest factories.
Looks good. The seals are perfect on this batch.
Yes, they are running smoothly today. We'll hit the target easily.